You have bought a new mobile phone and in a few days of purchase, it has stopped working. You have spoken to the company representative a week ago but it has still not been repaired. Write a letter to the company. Dear Sir or Madam, I am writing to express my disappointment and frustration with the service I have received from your company regarding my new mobile phone, which I purchased on the 10th of February 2025. Unfortunately, the phone stopped working within a few days of purchase, and despite my efforts to get it repaired, the issue remains unresolved. I spoke with one of your representatives, Mr. Johnson, on the 15th of February 2025, and was assured that the phone would be repaired or replaced promptly. However, it has been over a week since our conversation, and I have yet to receive any update on the status of my phone. I understand that technical issues can arise, but I expect a higher level of service from your company, particularly given the phone's warranty and the short period of time it has been in use. I urge you to take immediate action to repair or replace my phone. To facilitate a swift resolution, I have included the following details. Phone model: Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, SMS 908B, DS. Purchase date: the 10th of February, 2025. Serial number: R52J60R2YL. Reference number: #SR123456678, provided by Mr. Johnson. I would appreciate it if you could provide me with a timeline for the repair or replacement of my phone. If there are any additional steps I need to take, please let me know. Thank you for your attention to this matter. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Sincerely, Khalil.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe my channel for latest updates. Best of luck on your IELTS journey.